here's a desktop computer, and let's say it cannot access the internet through cable, but there is Wi-Fi in this room and there is no Wi-Fi antenna in the computer. So how should the computer connect to Wi-Fi to access the internet? So currently there is no internet, websites cannot be loaded, nothing. Okay, and to access the internet on the PC we should use a smartphone, and the Wi-Fi signals should enter into the smartphone and it should be sent through a cable to the PC. So let's connect the phone to the computer through a USB cable. Let's plug it in. Okay, it was recognized. Now let's swipe down from the top and enable Wi-Fi on the phone. Wi-Fi is enabled, it should connect to the network. If it's not connecting, then tap and hold on that Wi-Fi sign, select network, enter the username and password or whatever is needed, and connect to it. Okay, now go back to the same settings page, and here on the network tab there is tethering. Tap on tethering and enable USB tethering. USB tethering. Okay, so there's an exclamation mark here and it just disappeared. So the internet is accessed by the phone and it's sent through the USB cable to the PC, and now there I should have internet access on the computer. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.